arrive in style with this Jeep 2019 Renegade Latitude. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include black clear coat, quick order package 2XB included, engine 2.4 Li40 EVAP MAIR transmission, 9-speed 948 automatic, black premium cloth bucket seats, tires, 215/60 R17 BSWS Touring, STD, transmission, 9-speed 948 automatic, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD, engine, 2.4 Li40 EVAP MAIR, STD, front-wheel drive and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.